have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? I have kept myself pure in this community for so long. Why does this girl want to bring disgrace to me? Why? Why? Tell me why? See, Ifeoma, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Let today be the last day you will see Romanus. Let today be the last day you will see him and have an affair with him. Are you not ashamed that you're seeing someone old enough to be your father? You're seeing someone as old as myself. Are you not ashamed?
Why should I be ashamed? No, tell me, why should I be ashamed? Do you give me enough money? Do you give me enough money to take care of myself?
So this is what this is about. That's all you think about. Money! Money! So Romanus enticed you with money. I would have paid that man a visit. But I don't want to disgrace myself or disgrace you, stupid girl. I don't want to disgrace you. But let me tell you. Let today be the last day. The last day. The next time I hear that you are still seeing Romanus, that day I will make good my promise and disown you. I'll push you out so you go and fend for yourself. Huh? Why does this girl want to disgrace me? Why?
Bring her here.
Stand here. Stand up.
Ghanaian, I heard that your poor church brother Tobichi has gone to the city to hustle, perhaps. Do you know the implication of that? You are going to be hungry. You'll be begging. Babi Allah. Babi Allah.
God forbid! I reject it in
Shut up there! I'm talking, you are talking! Who gave you the ghost to talk?
Shut up! Shut up! It's like you. Are you mad? How can you be talking when Chief is talking?
One slap.
Are you to me?
Shut up! Now, let me warn you. If you carry this your hunger-stricken body close to my daughter and beg for food or money, I will so deal with you. If possible, I will kill you. I will so deal with you and possibly kill you before that your stupid brother returns from the city. Do you understand me? So stay away from my daughter. Do you hear me? He's not hearing. She's not hearing.
You're not. Do you hear me? Are you hearing what I'm saying? Answer me. Did you hear him?
One more. Oh, you're hearing? Idiot. Now get out from here. Idiot.
Get out! Get out!
That man is very, very lucky. He's lucky my mother stopped me from visiting him. If not, I would have forgotten that he has money and set that his house ablaze.
Ifeanyi, you are speaking as if you don't know these people again. Those men are very wicked. Those men are heartless. They don't have human sympathy at all. Eh?
I'm going to call Tobichi now. I'm going to call him to inform him immediately. Let me tell you, that Chief Romanu's son, Knwn, you see that guy? I really feel sorry for him. Because the day any of the youth will catch him in a very tight corner, like one-on-one, what they will do to that guy? What they will do to that guy? I feel sorry for him. Guy, that one, you see that boy? That one Nakamuke is too small. If I catch him personally, personally I will deal with him. I will handle him. Guy, because all those men are very wicked. Wicked set of men. You can maybe so
Fine. You know me very well.
You can fight them. You can fight them. They are stronger than you. If it's for money, they have money. Oh. I can't go from a logo. They are standing on your toes, but you can do nothing. Fachikwego. They can do you anything. Nobody will speak on your behalf at all because of money. Oh.
I'm fine, brother. Yes, he stopped me and abused me. That hunger will kill me. And he also want me not to near his sister. Brother, I avoided them. I avoided them like you told me. I don't even used to pass through their gate again. Okay, brother, no problem. So, how is life over there? You will send me money. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Okay, no problem.
One day, my enemy must bow. God of the orphans, where are you? Please come to our aid.
What happened? You guys closed very early today. I didn't expect you to come home.
No, my son. It's Aunt Chief Ibeto's wife. Pour me water on our way going to the meeting with Ozoma. Then I decided to turn back and change the wrapper.
Wait. I don't understand. Chief Ibeto's wife splash you water on your way to the meeting, you and Ozoma. Mbano digging is now. No, Mama, why? How? How can Chief Ibeto's wife pour you water, Mama? Why? This intimidation is too much. Mama, listen. I'm going there to meet Chief Ibeto's wife today and now, and I will deal with that woman. What kind of nonsense is this?
I told them, let these people not kill you for me because
Mama, nobody can kill me.
Don't go.
Mama, I say nobody can kill me. Chief Ibeto today. Mama,
I will go and change, Biko.
Mama, go and change, but I'm going to meet Chief Ibeto's wife now. Mama, Jadi woman, Jadi moto. You cannot tell me otherwise, Mama. I'm going there.
This people will kill you. Hey, Chinedu, come back. Come back now. Let me go and change. Biko no one, Biko no. Hey, Chineke mo nda ye bukwe mo nwam. Kelem Biko te.
Hey! Oh my God! You are such a terrible woman. Sure! So because of that incident that happened the last time they met, that was why you spread water on those women. I knew they were going to the meeting, so I decided to spoil that day. Child!
Hungry poverty. Let me see them get that up again. Let me see them. I will send them away to kill ourselves.
Honey, what happened, honey?
Is it not those stupid village hungry people? They are looking for
someone that will kill them and let them try me. Let them go near that village top again. Then I will show them why they call me and go to the chamber.
Daddy, what is the problem? I heard your voice from the room.
You heard my voice from the room. As if I tell you what my problem is, you will support me. Isn't it your village people? Those stupid people. Get out of my way, let me pass. Get out!
Mom, what is he talking about? I don't know, Nancy.
Ify, you've been avoiding me for the past 2 weeks now.
Chief. Look, we can't continue like this. So. My father is angry with me. And not just that, the whole villagers know that we are dating.
Why are you listening to what people are saying? You have your life to live. Come on.
Chief, look, I have to go. Because I don't want my father to meet me here. And I don't want anybody to see me standing here with you. Eh? Please, I need to go.
It's okay, excuse me.
Chief, I have to go now. I have to go.
Okay. For your upkeeping.
Chief, thank you, eh? Thank you. Don't worry, eh? I'll call you.
It's alright.
Chief, I need to go now, eh?
My blood tonic. Not even a peck. Welcome.
Brother. Brother Tobi.
You're looking good too.
Thank you.
Come on, look at you. Come on,
Brother,
let's go
you
inside.
look good though.
Let's go
What
inside.
happened?
Nothing happened.
Don't
worry, I'll gist you. Come.
Hey.
Come, I'll gist you.
My brother is back. Or you should come.
Why are you calling? Come first.
So you mean to tell us that you are the owner of that machine packed outside?
That's one of my machines.
Hey! That's not one. This is good news. So you have plenty.
Yes,
in fact, this is the best news I've ever heard this year.
Yes, so
Tobi,
say that again.
Now tell us, how did you make this money? Tobi, how did this happen?
Anyway, and I just want to say, it's the Lord's doing anyway. Yes, it's a big testimony.
Tobi, we will still ask you, your man now, tell us the secret of this business. We want to know.
You guys are my man, I will tell you, I will gist you, okay? Okay. I was doing a taxi hire in the city. So, one day.
Young man, thank you very, very much.
You're welcome, sir.
I really appreciate it. I never knew I left the wallet in the car. So thank you very much.
You know, you are kind of rare. Not everyone will do that.
Sir, it's okay. We thank God for everything. At least the other passengers is not pick their wallet.
Okay.
So I just have to go now. I have other passengers that
No, you don't need to be in a hurry. Okay? I want to show appreciation. In fact, as a matter of fact, I want to employ you in my father's company, which I am the manager.
Hey, sir, thank you so much.
It's okay.
This is the best thing that has happened to me today. Thank you. But there's a problem. Oh.
What problem?
I am not a graduate.
Come on, Peter. It doesn't matter, okay? I know you can do it, okay? You see, I want to pull you out from that Yaka business. I want to make you rich. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The pleasure is mine. Okay, sorry. See me tomorrow in my office. Okay? Just come and see me in my office. And pick up your appointment letter.
Just like that?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Okay, thank you. It's alright.
God bless you.
Alright.
That was how it happened. Wow. So he gave me a job in his father's company as the manager of the company. He gave me a car, an official car. Wow. A house and a good salary. So as a brain man, why be now? I used my salary to start up a good business in the city.
This guy.
Man you be today.
They were very soft and highly crunchy.
You don't need to tell me.
Don't play with my brain.
Money. You don't need to tell me.
You know, man need to think fast. You know, so that was how I made money.
Tobi. Yeah. It's a good news, and we're happy for you. But help your friends now. You and I be your man. At least connect us to that company.
I know. You don't even need to say it. I already had that in mind.
Yeah.
I've told myself that I'm going to take you guys along with me. Once I'm going back to the city. Yeah. But before then, I want to deal with those old fools in this village. I really want to deal with them.
You're right.
You're right.
Okay, with the geek.
You are right.
I'll use money and flog them one after the other.
Okay, with the geek. What are you telling me?
Tobe, you are right. Now that you have made money, Tobe, this is the right time to show those old men, those wicked men, that we have arrived. They are nothing. All those this is the time, Tobe.
Money stop nonsense.
Drink up. Let's. That woman, or can I let her pursue?
In case way. This time, man, on it is an check it out.
No, we have to go there.
Open that drink.
We just have to go there.
Open that drink. When was the last time you had this kind of drink? You won't please you. Yes, you don't want to please.
Namo. No, Ona.
Thank you, man.
Hey! Imakazi. You are this handsome. You're in this obodo Igbo.
Mama, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I think if not for you, I mean, you guys are my backbone, you know. If not for you and Mama Nedu, I wouldn't have achieved a lot today.
If you told me everything, and I'm sure your parents must be happy in their grave.
I'm highly happy. I'm not going to grave now.
So be one mega maka. Negodi, your color changed.
I'm telling you.
That smile is it like a big man.
Okay, was palliative almost.
Hey, Tobi, trust me, I am happy for you.
Okay.
But you know, this calls for celebrations.
You don't need to rush it, okay? You don't need to rush it. I'll tell Knwn to unleash the bag that I came back with. Yeah, because I bought a lot of things for you. And actually, Mama, yeah.
Hey. No.
Thank you, Mama.
No. I said it that our enemies must bow.
Amen.
Amen.
They are bowing already.
Close your eyes, let me pray for you. Whatever you lay your hands on must surely succeed.
Amen.
Anya nyila man na ebe no. Oro danya pianya. Aka ga ebi ha na ani. Oje gi na mbata gi. The Lord will always guide and protect.
Amen.
The enemies will not see you.
Amen. Because I know he's the weak. Chimo, how did you people know my color? These clothes are beautiful.
I hope you like it.
My sister, I am happy. These clothes are beautiful. They are beautiful.
Oh, Zugonwa, you're see.
Oh, gonna do. Willie.
Oh, Zugoni Tingwele. Let's go a village girl. Calm down. These ones are small. If you say the ones he bought for me, you will scream!
I'm okay with these ones. I'm okay with these ones because see, let me tell you something. If you see me in this village again, you will not know me. You will not recognize me with this bun shot. The way I'll be forming. I know that nobody can talk to me anyhow again because I have arrived. Oh my baby, yo!
I'm a listy. Not just you. The both of us, we brag like president's daughter. Yes, oh! Because my brother have made money. Hey, go now. Go there.
So you're not let me tell you something. You see, money stops nonsense.
Wow.
Yeah,
you are Julia.
We've made money.
We have.
Chief Romanus and Ibeto, they will never intimidate us in this village again.
This again, intimidate.
They will
not try it.
At all.
They will not, because my brother will not allow that at all. Yes. They will not.
Come back. Let me go and test this thing. How far wig now?
Don't worry, I will give you one. Money will be a fool.
I can now
You see why it is very important to be patient in life? Guess what I saw today?
I better tell me something.
Guess now.
I know if you don't want them, just tell me. Let me they go.
Okay. I saw Tobe. Babe, if you see Tobe, you would trip. Tobe that left for the city just returned, looking big.
Looking big.
Is it paining you?
It's not paining me. But the way you sound as if it's like you're crushing on that guy.
I'm crushing on him because I am crushing on him. Now tell me how Ifeoma will face him.
There's no other way. If I was in her shoe, I'll go and apologize. Simple.
Apologize for what? Apologize for what? A lady that left a young promising man for an old man that is even close to the grave. You think he will just forgive her like that? Let's talk about something else.
I understand, Sha, but she should try and approach him first.
Just like that. Approach him first. If I were to be Tobe, I would never forgive her.
And you are not Tobe, and you will never be Tobe. I think everyone must be like you.
See this one, no? Nonsense.
What are you little brats doing in my compound?
I have come back. I've arrived to take what belongs to us.
Now, I'm closing my eyes. By the time I open them, you are out of my compound. Now, get out!
You think it's those days that you can talk to us anyhow? I've made money. And I'm back to revenge. Chifi Beto, all of you must bow.
So what do you want?
If you do not abide to my instruction, I am going to bring you down and also your family. Do you get that?
Look at who is talking. My friend, get out of my compound, idiot! Get out before I call my boys on you.
And what if we refuse to go? What will you do?
Boys.
Look at this one.
Come on, let's go.
People are talking, you are still talking.
Come on, let's go.
Just look at you. Look at the way you dressed.
Do your worst. Chifibeto.
I get out.
I'll for you. I got jagged.
Get out from here. Look at him like an overfed cockroach.
Honey, what do we do?
What do you want me to do? No, tell me, what do you want me to do? If they fight me, I will fight back!
Fight who back? Daddy, when I was telling you to stop intimidating your own people, you refused. You wouldn't listen to me. Now these boys have come back for revenge.
What are you talking about? Do you know me? You don't know your father. Do you know why they call me out of the chamber? No, of course you don't. Look, I am a lion in human body. Nobody can touch me.
Honey, please, this is not the time for this. The question is, what do we do now?
I am as confused as you are. But not to worry, I will have a discussion with Romanus and we'll figure out a way.
When I was saying it, nobody was listening. I get what you want. The betting one, Obodo Puginazu. Onye Talafufu get you go. Be strong, don't lose hope at all.
You mean those boys have the nerves to come to your house?
Not just having the nerves to come to my house. That stupid Tobichi instructed me that I should return the land and properties I took from the orphans and the widows. Can you imagine that?
He's insane. That boy has gone mad. Oh, he thinks because he left for the city yesterday and come back with little change, he can challenge us. Eh?
Look, that boy Tobichi has stepped on the tail of the python, and I am going to show him why they call me Agune Chamber.
Okay, Ibeto, we must act fast, because what my father once said, when you see a little bit dancing on the road path, definitely something is beating drum for that bed. Someone must be responsible. Somebody must be beating the drum that are dancing to the tune.
Tobichi.
We must act fast.
Tobichi. You are going to regret the day you step your foot in my compound. They are all going to regret the day they stepped their feet on my compound. Alright, we shall see.
You will find out that the bone of a young man is getting stronger. The marrow of an old man is equally getting stronger.
A child that does not know the name of a bird, call it Ojojo.
Ojojo.
Tobichi.
Fine.
Take your rats and get out of my way because I want to pass.
You are the rats. You and this man. You were highly intoxicated with power and ordered everyone in this village that no one should cross this path. Do you remember? But today, I purposely did this so you and this man will not pass here. I want you to enter your car and leave this place now.
Tobichi.
That's my name.
I am still in charge of the certificate of existence of everyone in this village, including you.
Big lie.
And for you to pass any road in this community, you need a transit visa from me. Yet, because you've made your Tetenkobo,
little change
from the city, you think you can block our way. Anyway, I'm not in the mood for that right now. But be rest assured that I'll be back.
If you
don't leave your one name Jackie, you more than can tell this man. Dollar.
Hey, Shebawa.
Us give Seba boy some before you tag okay. Dollar.
They call it very brief.
Even you, sir.
Brief
you can't
before
go. You don't live here. That money that.
Let the music play on.
Moko. Open here. Yeah, do that.
Be strong, don't lose hope at all. If I found it in the veggies, if I blew in my name, I forgot no logo. If I found it, I forgot no logo.
Mbachu, I am here to advise you to warn Tobichi and his friends to desist from crossing my path. Please, tell Tobichi and his friends to desist from crossing my path. If they continue, whatever they see, they take.
Ah, how have the mighty fallen. Ibetu, you're here again. Now I can sense you're scared. But what are you doing here? Go out there and confront your problems. What are you doing here? Am I Tobichi? Does he live here? Go out there. Confront the youth.
Mbachu, is that all you have to say? I mean, as the chairman of this community that were appointed to make peace in the community, is this all you have to say? Look, if I start shedding blood now, you will say, hey, Ibeto has started. I'm telling you, you are laughing like a jackass.
Ibeto! Are you not tired of shedding blood? Every time, if I start shedding blood, are you not tired? Well, for your information, the widows and the orphans whose properties you seized, who died in the process of begging you for their own properties, their blood is already crying out. And you can see the effect. So what blood do you still want to shed? Do you still have space for this blood that you're still shedding?
But you... Well, if that is all you have to say as the chairman of this community, because if I were in your shoes by now, I'll be finding ways to make peace. But since you are pushing me, but you are pushing me, whatever you see, you take.
My friend, go there. Go there and confront the youths. Go. Get out. Look at this. My friend, get out here. Look at these two rats. Leave my compound. You are strong. You are this, you're that. Go and match the youths. Go and match them one-on-one.
don't even know what is confusing you. You want to shed blood. You want to drink blood every time. What nonsense.
Everybody they pray to God, make it get money to help one another. Makabwa fonye fulafu, akwa funa ngokweke, chompelo, kodayelo, fonye sibelala, orageri chapwa, manara zero fonye, omali chapwa ya. They get money, they don't want to help others. They have money, hachikwego, well, chief remanus and be better. They are sons of America community. They're the richest people in America. All this money where una get, make una they help people. They have money. Hachikwego, anyway. Chief remanus and be better. Sons of America community. They're the richest people in America.
Romanus, you see what I have been saying. Now my son's life is at risk. I warned you, didn't I?
Dad, we need to report these boys to the police. It was by the grace of God that I escaped.
Son, I can't. They have enough evidence against me.
Really? What do you mean by you can't? They have enough evidence against you. Romanus! Hey! Jehovah! When I told you to leave those orphans and widows alone, you refused. Let them be, Romanus, you refuse. And now you can't report them to the police.
Woman, quiet! Quiet, let me think. My head is filled up. Let me think for once.
Romanus, if anything happens to my son, I will hold you responsible. Think my fruit.
See that? You need to act fast too. These boys are deadly and they are ready to kill. Me, I'm scared though.
That guy is mad. That guy is crazy. You know what? I would have scattered his brain.
Tobe, God knows that his father's money will not save him. The day I will lay my hands on him, ma basi ma jaja. Yama jatoli. The day I will catch him. Yadeba, that foolish boy. I can't forget how that boy insulted me when Oma and Knwn was captured. I was tied with a rope. I can't forget it. That boy. I will deal with that boy.
He has actually escaped today, but he will not escape tomorrow. I am going to put an eye on him. I will send people to watch him. When I get him, I am going to deal with him.
Odogu Tobe, you know you have made money. You understand? Give me the privilege when you have captured him. Give me the privilege to do the dealing for you. Let me use my hand and deal with him. Now, can titolia ye titolia? Now, can jaya. Omo be awful. Just once you captured him, or once they captured him for you, just call me to take over. I will handle him. Oh yeah, janya fu. Jeremy for one pen of phone. Every little thing he will call his father, taking his father's money.
Grandmaster, the boys are back for revenge. Even the villagers are supporting them. We are not safe anymore.
Yesterday, Grandmaster, they chased my son like a common criminal on the village road. Grandmaster, do something, we are confused.
I know. A day like this will come. But don't worry. Those boys are purified spiritually, and there is nothing you can do to them.
Grandmaster, you mean there is nothing you can do to suppress them?
The battle will continue until they will give up. But before then, I will give both of you a charm to protect yourself.
Tobichi, my son, I know that all of you are angry. Please, let bygone be bygone and stop the fight. Please, let peace reign.
Mama, you don't know those men. But I'm going to make them suffer. I'm going to make them feel what they did to others.
Bam! Okay, Nah, calm down. Calm down. All of you should calm down. Whatever Ziano. This thing is also a big problem. And no man, I man like here. You go.
Mama, we don't care whatever it will result to. But whatever comes out, we are equal to the task.
See, my anger is that those men thought that nobody will make it in this village. Now, their mind is telling them that the money is meant for them alone. My name could be my man now. My man, they will take it. So it's time for us to judge them. Now, can
I down? Mama, leave our brothers to deal with those men, so that they will still know we have youth in this village. Eh?
Mama, honestly, I am surprised that you are pleading like this. Mama, it's obvious you've forgotten so soon how these people dealt with us in this village. Mama! Mama, please, allow them to fight this fight. They never believed Tobe here would make it. Tobe has succeeded.
Okay, but
let them do it man to man.
Before I go back to the city, I promise every one of you here that I'm going to deal with those men.
Yes.
For one after the other.
I believe you.
And when I do that, I'll be so happy.
I thought you said you're going to take me and Ifeanyi along with you.
Hey, I will go first. I will go first. Chinedu, calm down.
You promise to take along.
Please find a place in your heart to forgive.
Are you talking about forgiveness? I should find a place in my heart. I should forgive you where you left me for that old man because of money.
Okay.
And I should forgive you.
Okay, I made a mistake. It was a mistake. Please, it was a mistake. Go, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So you've actually realized that it was a mistake?
Yes.
Yes. When you were doing the mistake, you didn't know. Because you heard that God has blessed me. If he is now back to come and reap where she did not sow. Yeah? A chewed one. Now you're back to come and reap. Yeah? Can spend there on you. Can no longer me na la chapion. Aku hicho. Nyala meganya mechikita. Nyabuni sugoda. I want you to get out of this compound now.
Please no. Please.
Are you still calling me Obi? Am I not too big for this your Obi?
No,
so they carry me as big as I am, going inside his heart. Can you carry it?
Okay, please. It's me for my Tiffy. Ify, your love, your love, it's for my. Please. Oh, baby. Please don't do this now.
Feel my love. Her cry is touching me. Hey. If you when you cried, oh my God. Come on, shut up, one son, Allah. Neck all day. I suppose beer. Hey, you must not so big. This year, poor. Men, you go also get that. Okay, man, also don't get one of the
Hey! This is unbelievable.
You have to believe it.
So Ifeoma walked into this compound to ask you for apology. Ona Yara, is she mad?
You don't know Ifeoma at
After she left you for that wicked man.
You don't know Ifeoma. She has no shame.
No single shame at all. Yeah. No single shame. Hey! Glacier, if she comes here again and I'm not around, just call me on phone. I will handle her myself.
She won't even come back here again after all I did to her. I walked her out of this compound like a village prostitute.
Wow, idiot. She's a village prostitute. Oh, yob. Village prostitute. Oh, Jaye Omechi. No single shame.
Give me the brandy on top of the table there, okay?
Let me see her here again. I'll pour her hot water. It's again a brandy.
Brandy, yeah.
I'm coming. Hey, before me.
It not be real, eh? It not be real. We take you and jag.
Leave her. Just don't beat anyone, okay? I just want your father, your husband, to open that tap so the villagers can start fetching water. That is all I want him to do.
My son! Spare our lives, please. I'm going to talk to him. If you open the tap...
If you call me your son again, I will slap you. Do I resemble your son? Do I resemble this he-goat? Huh? The only thing is that you're a good woman. But your husband is very wicked. He's a devil. How can he be punishing the whole village? Huh? Tell him to release and unlock the tap so people will start fetching water. If not so, I am going to hang two of you on an electric pole. Then you will die and rest in peace. I pray you. What is that? You know what you're talking about? Shut off your mouth. What are you, Alata?
Stop romancing me. This is just romancing me. You know, stop romancing. You romance them again. Who is this? Why is it?
Easy. I don't want you guys to beat anyone. Okay? Okay? For the last time,
release my wife and my son. Else
what? Else in Megini. Ibudonye. Esidibege Jebonye. Huh? What do you think you can do? I want you to go and tell those boys to open the village tap. Else, I'll kill your wife and your son.
Well, Amaromumbi Bidongoba. Obo I said Obalage. But I can see you've gone crazy with this little change you've made. Eh?
You are the one who is crazy. Maggie Finger Maggie. You won't see any leg to walk out of this place. If you're here to insult me, I can kill you and bury you here, and nothing will happen.
Of course you know you are just making an empty threat.
I want you to leave here now before I waste your life. And I give you 20 minutes to tell your boys to open the village tap. Else, I will kill your wife, kill your son, and deal with you. Now leave this place. Get out.
I go.
Sir.
Come on, see about boy, son.
Baby God.
I'm going to baby God.
Baby, what are you going to do, baby?
It's like that get messed. On your arm.
On your arm.
Damn.
This man is so funny. He would have stayed back and wait for his death.
I'm not sure why. Well, I could go.
No.
Okay, Baona.
I was there. I'm on defense now.
Come on, Baona.
Because of that baby girl. Ha! I'm on defense. This plank now, we use it.
Come on, go inside and give me water to drink. Mba, Zobo.
You want to make me. Brother, don't worry. Let them come again. I'm on defense. So this block.
Wait up. Get on. Get lost. I can see that. Boy, get lost.
Oh, I don't miss this guy. No, Papa, anywhere where I see you. Anywhere where I see you, what's that gonna do you? This guy get lost.
I'm gonna with this guy now, eh? No problem.
Romanus, you see what I've been saying? The life you live is affecting me and my son. Eh? Can't you see? Our life is at stake here. Romanus!
See, Dad, I suggest we relocate to the UK for now. We are not safe here anymore.
You're the one speaking in this manner. I am not leaving my town because of those small boys.
Hey! Romanus, are you telling me that you don't care about our lives? Is that what you're saying? Eh?
Woman, you're safe and Donald is safe. I don't know why you're worsening this issue. Why are you worsening it? Eh?
Me? Rose, worsening it, eh? Okay. From today upwards, my life and the life of your son is at your hand. Take it. Our life is in your hand. You.
Dad, you need to listen to the voice of reason. We really have to relocate. Our lives are at risk. We are no longer safe here anymore. You know that.
Donald, I am not living anywhere. I am not leaving my town for those brief rats. Never! We die here.
Dad, I don't understand what you mean by I shouldn't go out from this house again.
Nancy, it's for your own safety, okay? Now the village is very, very hot. And those boys, they might hurt you, so relax, okay?
No, Dad, they will not hurt me because they know I am not like you. Nancy, your father is right. You are his daughter, and because of that, they might decide to harm you. Oh, so now you have realized that Daddy has been wrong all along. Now you know he was wrong. When I was pleading with him to stop intimidating his people and allow them have their freedom, he refused. no, that will not happen. You cannot lock me up here. I will go out there. I must leave this house. I will go out. You cannot cage me. I am not a prisoner. It's your mess, Mom. It's your mess. So you people should clean it up and leave me out of it.
I know. But please, can you help me talk to him? Biko, I still love him.
Ifeoma, you think my brother is a fool, right?
No.
See, you can't eat your cake and have it back. You left him for an old man because of that little change he was giving to you. Now you want my brother to forgive you and accept you back, just like that. Eh? Okay, say me.
It was a mistake. Eh? See, it's the handwork of the devil. No? Naya, it wasn't with my clear eye. It wasn't with my clear eye at all. Please.
It's you.
It's the handwork of the devil. It's a mistake.
Hey.
I'm sorry now. I'm so sorry.
Ifeoma, you are such a terrible person. Hey! Otu Akide. Eh? You are bad because my brother has made money. You can't reap where you did not sow. Asi. Oye menata. Asi. Never I can go. If you know what is good for you, leave this compound. Ifeoma, just leave this compound though.
Kenaya. It's me, it's Ifeoma. Kenaya. We used to be good friends though. Eh? It's your friend now.
Why hold it there? Jide Biko. Us good friends. See, Ifeoma. See, I don't want to listen to all this nonsense you are saying now. Inanuya. If I go inside and come out and still meet you here, you will not like yourself. Hey. I am not joking with you.
Kenaya.
I am not.
Please now.
If I live here.
Please.
If I want to pay back poor. Say back poor.
Kenaya, don't do this now. Eh? Help me talk to your brother now. Please now. I still love him. Oh, help me talk to him now. Kenaya.
What is it? Who is chasing you? Who?
Brother, Chief Ibeto and Chief Romanus sent 2 of his men to kidnap me.
Eh?
Yes.
Kidnap you?
Yes.
Kidnap what?
Chief Ibeto and Chief Romanus.
Yes.
Are they mad?
No.
Okay, do you know what? Go inside. Go and stay with Oma. Eh? We are coming. Guys, come. No, brother.
Careful.
I go jam mad. Yeah.